Gift Aid Recorder is the leading gift aid recovery software. It enables charity retailers and those which operate venues and events to maximise their recovery of gift aid. It is simple to use and provides easy management of all aspects of gift aid recovery. This video focuses on use of the software in the retail environment, from the receipt of donated goods to the submission of gift aid claims to HMRC. Registered charities understand the value of reclaiming gift aid on donations from their supporters. Provided their donors are UK taxpayers, the value of their donations can be increased by 25%. So every £10 in donations becomes £12.50 once tax has been reclaimed. HMRC set out a series of steps that charities must follow to reclaim tax on goods they have been given for sale. Gift Aid Recorder, together with Epos Now, manages the steps and helps shop staff follow the rules. When a donor walks into a store to donate some goods, the first thing the staff member needs to do is to ask them whether they are a UK taxpayer and whether they have previously donated to the charity. If they say they are a UK taxpayer and they have not donated previously, the staff member registers the donor to accept their donated items. Gift Aid Recorder makes this easy and allows the goods to be accepted into the shop, ready for sorting later in the back office, away from the shop floor. Registration can be done at the till, in the Epos Now back office, or on another device anywhere in store, such as on a laptop, tablet or phone. We're showing it here running on the till. The member of staff logs into the till and sees the till front. Gift Aid Recorder can be launched from the Apps menu or by using an action button. In this instance, we will use the action button, which is at the bottom right-hand side of the till window. This takes the user to the Gift Aid Recorder start page. The opening page is configurable, but here we are showing the donors page. In this case, because the donor is new to the charity, the user clicks New Donor. This takes the user to the registered donor screen, where their details are entered and validated against HMRC's requirements for donor capture. This screen shows the validated customer data and gives the member of staff the opportunity to confirm the donor's acceptance of the terms of gift aid, that they are happy for their goods to be sold on their behalf, and to ask if they are happy to receive email correspondence about their gift aid sales. Having completed the new donor data entry and confirmation, the app shows the selected donor. The donor is then free to leave. The donated items now need to be labelled so that they can be linked to the donor. Gift Aid Recorder presents the option to print labels to be stuck onto the bag of items just donated. Clicking Bag Labels navigates to Epos Now's Generate Labels feature. At the bottom of the page, in the printer dialog, the user sets the quantity of labels they want to print. Once printed, the labels are stuck onto the bag or bags, ready for the items inside to be sorted later. Donated items are sorted by shop staff in the back office into items for sale, items for recycling, and items to be thrown away. Those for sale must be labelled so that they can be linked to the donor when sold. This is because the charity must be able to link the goods sold on behalf of each donor and keep a running total of the amounts raised from the sale of the goods on their behalf each tax year. They must also keep records tracing gift aid claims back to the sales of the donated goods to individual donors. In this instance, we are going to print 10 labels, one for each of the items in the bag. The user searches for the donor record in Gift Aid Recorder, either by scanning the barcode on the bag which holds the donor details, or they can look up or enter the donor's name, number or address. With the donor selected, the user clicks on the Product Labels button. The user selects a product category and optionally provides a description and/or price for each item in the bag and adds it to the selection. Clicking on the Labels button allows the user to see the list of selected items. The user can add or remove items before committing to stock. Donated items must be recognised and available for sale in Epos Now. Clicking the Add Stock button generates the products in Epos Now where necessary and creates a stock movement into Epos Now, which is necessary to log the goods into the store. Clicking Generate Labels takes the user to the Epos Now Generate Labels function, where the labels can be printed by clicking the green button. Printer settings can be set, and then the user clicks Print. Gift aidable items are sold at the till in the normal way. First, the item is scanned. If variable pricing has been set, Epos Now allows the staff member to enter or modify the price. A transaction can contain a combination of items from different donors, include variable or fixed priced items, and non-gift aid items. In this demonstration, a non-gift aid item has already been added to the transaction. the staff member then adds 2 gift aid items, first a fixed price designer handbag, and then a variable price item from a different donor. Epos now prompts the staff member to enter a price. The operator clicks Pay and selects the payment type. In this instance, a card payment is taken and the transaction is completed. Gift Aid Recorder maintains an account for each donor and keeps track of sales transactions in real time. Authorised users can view a list of donor accounts or search for specific accounts. Once an account has been selected, the account summary, recent transactions, recent donations, and recent account history are available to view. The account summary shows gross and net sales, commission, VAT, refunds, and withdrawals. Recent transactions shows the items sold, their sale value, commission earned, and VAT, while recent donations shows the donation amount, declaration type, and date. Recent account history gives a summary of actions on the account. Gift Aid Recorder's reporting tool allows authorised users to create custom reports. The user selects Reports from the main menu and clicks Create Report. The report criteria are selected. In this instance, a sales report for the current trading week is created. Gift Aid Recorder compiles the report and the user downloads it as an Excel file. Gross and net sales, commission, and the amount of gift aid generated are shown, as well as a summary of donors and new donor registrations. After every sales period, which can be defined as required, the retailer will submit donations to HMRC in order to claim gift aid. The claims process starts with a notification to donors of additional sales. Once a donor's net sales proceeds exceed the specified limits for a given tax year, Gift Aid Recorder stops automatically recording donations for that donor. Instead, Gift Aid Recorder keeps track of additional sales. To begin the donor notification process, log into Gift Aid Recorder with an administrator account. From the main menu, the user selects Retail Gift Aid, then Notifications, and chooses an appropriate date range. This will typically either correspond with an accounting period or with a specific tax year. Gift Aid Recorder calculates the net total additional sales for each donor. The data is available as a CSV file, which can then be used in a mail merge. Gift Aid Recorder provides pre-populated document templates for Microsoft Word based on HMRC examples for submission of gift aid claims. Following download of the data as described earlier, authorised users download donor notifications data and can then run a mail merge in Word using standard steps. To process a gift aid claim, select Gift Aid Claims from the Gift Aid menu, then click Create Gift Aid Claim and set the claim to date to correspond with the claim accounting period. Gift Aid Recorder builds a claim from all previously unassigned donations up to and including the date specified. Once the claim has been built, click View to see the claim and then download the claim data for Excel or LibreOffice, formatted to HMRC requirements. Next, open the claim schedule in your chosen software to check or modify the claim. Go to gov.uk and search for Claim Gift Aid online, sign in using your Government Gateway user ID and password, and process the claim. Gift Aid Recorder works with Epos Now, the flexible and low-cost cloud-based POS system, to enable charities to maximise their recovery of gift aid. Gift Aid Recorder is fully integrated with Epos Now and is a natural technological and functional fit. Choose Gift Aid Recorder in the Epos Now App Store.